Good morning. I just got off the phone with a potential client, and it was just so great. He was looking for someone to work with doing healing work, and he wanted to make sure that this wasn't just talk therapy counseling where he's just going to tell his story and I'm just going to go, uh-huh. And I just love that because I do feel like it's important to know our story, and yet we're at an evolution place of we know our story and what do we do with it? How? It's the how. We're at the how and the how. The how do we work through it? How do we change it? How do we heal it? How do we love those parts that were lost in the story of the pain and the unconscious belief systems that have been running us, and becoming awake to them and learning how to shift them and change them. And it is bringing the light of consciousness to the things that were unconscious. We begin to go, oh, there's that thing. Here's the tools that I'm learning. This is what's really going on underneath to make the changes. And so it was so beautiful, and we made an appointment, and I'm so excited to work with him. And it's not just talk, and it's not just the therapy of the nodding. It's getting underneath and learning the how, and getting to the table and unwinding it from the tissue and unfolding in the beauty and the truth of who we are. And I love holding that space. So I just thought I'd make a little video. I'm so inspired, and I love the process of how do we get to the how. We know what we want, we know our story. How do we get there? And of course it's with love. But it's really lovely when we can have the space held for us while we go in to those places that are scary, to be able to retrieve the treasures. And that is my favorite thing. Okay, big love.